Hey guys, I just thought I'd give you a quick room tour. This is a outdoor window for the Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. As you can see, you've just come through the entry door. Very simple but very comfortable room. Queen size bed, fit for two. Big screen TV as you're coming in. Ample storage space above the bed and on the sides there, with plenty of cupboard space for all of your outfits and day-to-day wear. Even like this little comfortable little shoe rack that was intended, whether it's intended for that purpose or not, that's the way we did it here in our room. Bedside tables there, couple of adapter points and light switches for all. Come down here, mirror. It does also have a light function underneath here that lights up, which is a cool feature. Plenty of areas down here for storage, including the little mini chiller bar fridge, storage spaces, and so on and so forth. And there's our outdoor window out to the beautiful ocean. We've got a 6-year-old and he's in just a little fold-out couch that turns into a bed. It also comes with then storage above that too, where he's keeping his toys and bits and pieces for all of the activities that he does on a day-to-day basis. Finally, just again, lock area and other storage spaces to cover off all of those kind of areas, and below as well, a couple of more drawers to keep all your wear and stuff like that. But generally speaking, yeah, look, from my perspective, very comfortable room, quite sizable for just an outdoor out window. Does everything that you need it to do without the need for any balconies or anything like that. And thoroughly enjoyed our time here on the Quantum of the Seas, part of Royal Caribbean's fleet of ships. Thanks guys, I'll leave it there and I'll talk to you a bit later. Cheers.